Hey there! In this video, we're going to talk about how to clean your dishwasher properly. Cleaning your dishwasher regularly is super important because it helps prevent smells, the buildup of detergent, minerals, and dirt that can cause your dishwasher to not clean your dishes effectively. First things first, you'll need to gather some supplies like warm water, dish soap, distilled white vinegar, baking soda, a toothpick, a toothbrush, a microfiber cloth, rubber gloves. Now, let's get started with the cleaning process. Step 1. Remove the filter, utensil holders, and dishwasher racks. Some filters simply twist off, while others might require tools to unscrew them. Don't worry if you're not sure how to remove yours. Just check your dishwasher's user manual. Once you've taken them out, place them in a sink filled with warm water and 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes. This will help loosen up any gunk or residue. While they're soaking, use a soft toothbrush to scrub the gaps and mesh in the filter. This will help get rid of any trapped food particles. Step 2. With the racks and filter out, you now have a clear view of the dishwasher's interior. Check for any lingering debris or food particles that might be hiding in the corners. Use a damp cloth with some dish soap to wipe down the interior walls and corners, making sure to get rid of any gunk or residue. Step 3. Next, take a look at the spray arms. These have tiny little holes where the water sprays out, and these holes can get clogged with food particles over time. Use a toothpick or the tip of the toothbrush to carefully clean out any debris you see lodged in these little holes. Oh, and don't forget to check the door seal. This area can often accumulate a lot of grime, so give it a good wipe down too. Step 4. Now it's time to use vinegar and baking soda. These 2 ingredients are amazing for deep cleaning your dishwasher. First, fill a dishwasher-safe bowl with 1 cup of white vinegar and place it on the bottom of the empty dishwasher. Run a hot water cycle. The vinegar will help break down any remaining food, grease, soap scum, or other gunk. Once that cycle is done, remove the vinegar bowl and sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda along the bottom of the dishwasher. The baking soda will help remove any lingering stains and leave your dishwasher smelling fresh and clean. Step 5. Don't forget to clean the outer dishwasher door. If your dishwasher has a stainless steel exterior, use a cleaner specifically formulated for stainless steel. Regular all-purpose cleaners can sometimes leave streaks or scratches on stainless steel. If you'd rather go the DIY route, you can make your own cleaner by mixing dish soap, water, and white vinegar. Dip a microfiber cloth into the mixture, squeeze out the excess, and then wipe down the dishwasher door, control panel, and handles. Rinse the cloth and go over the surface again for a nice, streak-free finish. And that's it! You now know how to give your dishwasher a deep, thorough cleaning. Experts recommend doing this kind of deep clean every 4 weeks or so, but you might need to do it more frequently if you have hard water, which can cause mineral buildup. One last tip: if your dishwasher has a self-cleaning sanitize cycle, be sure to run that every few weeks too. The sanitize cycle uses higher temperatures to kill off any lingering bacteria or food soil that a regular cycle might miss. So there you have it, a clean, fresh-smelling dishwasher that will leave your dishes sparkling.